Alright guys, we're working on a, what is it, an 02 Suburban two-wheel drive. As you can tell, out of alignment. Turns out that the inner rod, the tie rod is gone. We got a new one from Advanced Auto Carquest, the premium brand. All new, not reman or nothing like that. Comes with some Loctite, but we won't use that. We got our own. And so we're going to go about installing that. But before we can do that, so he can go and get an alignment afterwards, and so he can drive home. I'm going to measure to this outer tread from the other side, so I can put it back pretty close to where he is. And we're looking at 65 and, I'd say almost 3/4, halfway past 3/4. And since he's got all that wear, I might actually bring him into 3/4 and call it a day. But then he can go back and then you can get it done. So let's get in there and let's remove that piece, okay? All right guys, this is an 18, but I'm going to rotate this out just a little bit so we can get to this joint over here, if you can see where the inner tie rod actually connects over here. And we're going to use a monkey wrench to get that loose, but we got to break this first. So let's break that. I'll use the 18 on my impact, and let's go for the best, okay? Okay, let's do it. And then I gotta sit here and edit everything. Oh, pain in the ass. Okay.
Stop it? Or?
No, that's alright. Alright, here we go. Bam. There we go. And then we're gonna put that back on so we can break it free, okay? We got one of two ways. We can do the hit method or we can do the second method. We'll try the hit method first, okay? Here's the hit method. Ready? 1, 2, 3. That didn't work. Now did it, huh? Oh, it did work. Hey, it's separate. There you go. It did work. All right. And then for the inner rod, we got to come over here, and we have to get in here and find the. And this should just be a threaded, and you can tell this one the boot broke, and I think that's what made it fail. So we're going to just put it on here like so, and then we're going to hit it as hard as we can. And that doesn't want to come loose. Wouldn't you know it? It's usually the case. There we go. That's it. There we go. Alright, now we're going to pop this out of here, and then we're going to rotate it like it should go, and we should be good to go. Alright, we'll bring you back when we're all the way off. And then we'll put a little Loctite on the threads before we put it back together, okay? So that it stays together. But that's it. Alright, we're comparing the new here and the old. They look very similar. Good design. This is all, like I said, 100% brand new. We're going to have to take the end off here, and then we'll get it on. And we'll get it as close as we can, and that's usually the key. So, we'll go from there. But there's the part number if you need it. Whoopsie. Okay. Alright guys, I got it set up approximately the right distance that I measured. Put a little bit of blue Loctite on it, and it's time to get it back in the truck. Alright, we got it tightened up using the same monkey wrench, and then lubed it up. It's nice and tight, and you can see the grease escaping. And then now we're going to put the tie rod in. And we'll bring that back in, and we'll tighten this up, and then we will get our little measurement and see how close we are so he can get back on the road, okay? Alright guys, hopefully you can see that. I hope you can. I've got it measured out over there, and we are about 1/8 of an inch in. I'm going to move it out just a little bit more till we're about only a 1/16 inch from the 64.5 original measurement we took, and that should bring us to a complete job. And so he should be then able to go and get alignment without too much issue. So I think, alright guys, that's it. We'll wrap this up today. Thank you for watching another video. Thank you for subscribing, and have a great day. Bye now.